are we recording? Okay, just say when.
When?
I think I should be faster. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry. Okay. Are we really throwing everything?
Okay, we don't have to throw everything. Let's go!
Moisturizer. That's with what?
Oh, I have cream in my room.
Okay, so now we start.
Is it a bit too loud?
I think they don't have to dance.
Oh, happy music.
Oh, is that like a thing?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Let's go.
That's
Okay.
the first one.
So like let's just imagine tapping everything before this. Okay.
Yeah.
So moisturizer. Yeah.
Yeah, you talk us through it because I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. Oh, that's a smart way of moisturizing.
Putting it on your face?
No, dot. Cool. You must understand I don't know what I'm doing.
Yes, you do. Don't lie.
Yeah.
Don't be modest.
Oh, okay, sure. Let's go with foundation then.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's just like, oh, what works for your face? I don't know.
Okay.
I sunburned after the weekend, so yeah, I'm dark. You know. So when everything goes.
Sure. Can you actually see the contours? Oh wow, oh wow.
You know these brushes for this.
Once I was so desperate, so I used the cork.
Can't stop the feeling. Why are you painting your face? I think maybe you put too much foundation.
Take
Okay,
some
wait.
of mine.
What side? Can I dab? Place this on your face all around.
I know what dabbing is.
Oh. My dude, that is a good one. Okay. Wow. So I'll. Okay. Can I show you like
How to dab?
what dabbing method would be more efficient? Because you also like want it to like stick in your face and then like move that way. So like. Didn't you say you want to make this about questions?
Oh
Do
yeah.
you want to like ask me any questions?
Okay. Question number 1.
Oh, ooh, juicy. What's your favorite game?
Hide and seek.
Okay, board game.
My favorite board game is chess.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I posted a chess video recently. I won my first match.
Oh wow, congrats.
I know what yours is.
Please.
30 seconds.
Yes, but that's predictable because I don't know. Challenges me intellectually, but anyway. Use. Okay. Oh shit. So actual bronzer. Okay. Oh wow.
Salu, over there. Bye, baby. I love you. Bye.
This way out.
This one, 73 questions of Vogue, and then she was like, bye, love you. Like that. When we grind.
That's right. Wow, you already look different, eh?
Really?
Yes.
Is this the color I must use?
If you want to do.
Oh, that was close, eh?
Oh wow. And we got some games of our own. Okay. And after that, what would you do?
Are you?
What? Okay. I think we should do eyebrows next. So, here's the eyebrow brush. You get the thicker one because you have thicker eyebrows.
Ooh, I have a question for you.
Oh wow, juice.
When did you have your first kiss?
Oh god. Oh god.
And describe it in detail.
Fine. No. Okay, then obviously I have to ask you the exact same thing. Tell me.
Okay, fine, I will
Okay,
answer.
fine. I was in grade 8. Feel like it was term 1 or term 2. Yeah. And then like people would talk about like their first kisses and I was just like, yo, I never had my first kiss yet. And I was just like, okay. Yo, and then I had a crush on this boy who really wasn't that worth a crush, I'd say. But you know the hot ones, I can't even, oh god. Yeah. So, anyway, it was really like over the moon. I get now why it was over the moon because like no one in their right mind would have thought he was cute. Oh my gosh. Anyway,
Was he a nice person at least?
I wouldn't say so. Because oh my gosh, I feel like I'm giving too much of this person's history.
Just don't mention his name.
I won't. I feel like that would be no return zone. So yeah, it happened. I never smoked cigarettes then. He did, and his mouth is like an ashtray.
Oh, shit.
And yeah, I was just like, cool, it's done. Like, you know what I mean? And then I was just like, I don't actually like this boy. Like after that, boy thought we had a connection, but we really didn't. You know what I mean? Anyway, your turn.
Oh, you connected with your tongues. Okay, so
You gonna say primary school?
yeah, I was in primary
Oh
school.
wow, juicy.
So my first kiss happened when I was in grade 6.
Juicy. Oh my word, I think I know this. Oh my word, I feel like I even know the boy. Obviously, I can't tell you guys that because that's like tea for another
Okay,
day.
shush.
Sorry. Okay.
Anyway, so I was at a Girl Scout and Boy Scout mix, like camping, and then I was like making jokes with him and stuff, and I was like being mean to him, and then like I thought he was cute, and we were sitting by the by like a ferry by this lake, and it happened, and it was so romantic and
So
cute,
that's why you asked me.
and it felt meant to be.
Really, was it?
Yeah, it was nice. It was fun. It was the first time, like obviously it was my first kiss. And then we did a couple more times over that weekend, and then we made plans to meet up in Grand West afterwards, but we didn't. And I kind of cried over him. But yeah, it ended.
Oh wow.
And then he came to my high school like a few years after that. and then we became a little bit like, we became friends kind of, and then I thought he was like,
Okay, average, not worth a crush initially. I feel
yeah,
always be disappointing. It's just like,
yeah, but I'm glad it was with him. It was cool, and he's a cool person.
that's so sweet. It kind of makes me wanna like retell my story and lie about it.
So thank you, first kiss guy or girl. Okay,
You
no,
really
the guy.
see he throughout everything.
Yeah,
It's
this
too
guy.
late. Okay,
Ooh, I'm
did you do
sweating now.
eyebrows?
Yes.
Dude, I'm also sweating my cone off. Like you don't even know.
Let's
what's
get done with this, man, so we can eat.
Okay,
Can I do eyeshadow now? I'm looking at this the whole time. The colors. Yes. It's your turn to ask a question,
I
girl.
can't think of anything, Amy. I'm just like thinking about how I really want to retell my story and lie.
No.
The yellow is nicely pigmented, but you have to put on a few coats to like really see it through. Oh wow, really, really.
Okay, I'm gonna do a swatch test.
Oh, okay, Amy. Aim's lames. Oh wow, very pigmented. Oh wow. We were so. Oh, this is cool. Plum. Very. Favorite Ed Sheeran song?
This one. This one was mine and favorite song.
You look like a beautiful bird.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, don't be so aggressive.
Okay. Yay! It was a fun experience.
Yeah. Drinks the festive seasons, I don't know. This is like
Yeah.
not my cue. I'm leaving.
Hopefully you learned something, a thing or two about makeup, because
one
I
learned
sure did.
anything.
I did. I learned a few things about the makeup. I'm probably gonna go wipe it off right now, because it's really hot and I'm sweating. But I kinda like it. Maybe I'll do makeup more often. In one word, what would you use to describe it?
A lot. That's 2 words. Excessive?
Okay.
Dramatic. Dramatic. Creative. Revolutionary. Okay, sorry. I think I should stop.
That's good.
Unstoppable. You can't be 20. Oh snap, biscuits! Hey! Another one, another turn. Okay. Oh wow. I think we have enough. Okay. So Amy, leeggesil.
Yes.
Oh snap, biscuits! Snap, biscuits. We're loving this look you're showing today. What inspired it, if I may ask?
Makeup mostly.
Okay. I meant your color scheme, not the concept.
My color scheme, my t-shirt. And freedom of expression.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant. You know the world, what we need is more people like you. Really, really. Okay. Is there anything you'd like to say for...
No, bye.
Oh.